poem unfolds, a whisper of words, a story untold. It dances with rhythm, it sings with grace, a reflection of my essence in this sacred space. I am Trisha Laika Intal, a symphony of hopes and dreams, a tapestry woven with endless dreams. Each word a brush stroke on the canvas of time, a melody of emotions, both yours and mine. I like playing guitar and watching movies. In these simple joys, my spirit grows, traverses. I explore the deeps of my being, unveiling truths, both freeing and freeing. In stanzas of joy, I find solace and peace, a sanctuary where worries and fears release. With each line, I find strength to face the unknown, embracing my vulnerability. Seeds of growth are sown. Sometimes, darkness envelops the page, a reflection of pain, a tempestuous rage. But through the darkness, light finds its way. Hope shines through, a beacon to guide my way. So let the words flow like a gentle stream. In this self-poem, I found myself redeemed. For within these lines, I discover my truth, a testament to the resilience of my youth. In Pahak, where waves kiss the shore, lies Trisha Laika Intal, young and more, at 19 summers, she holds the key to dreams that dance wild and free. In Lapu-Lapu City, her home, the stand, a haven where dreams take command. With eyes that sparkle like ocean blue, she charts her course steadfast and true. Trisha Laika Intal, a name to cherish in her heart, hopes never perish. With every step, she paints her story, a tapestry of grace and glory. With guitar strings and movie screens, she finds inspiration in simple scenes. Through poetry's embrace, she finds her voice, a symphony of dreams, her heart's choice. I, Trisha Laika Intal, 19 years of age, living in Pahak, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, with dreams, passion, and goals in life.